Yeah, to be successful in 2025, I'm going to be all the way real with you, man. My advice to you, you need to mind your business. Mind your business for real, man. Like, mind your business and stay away from these fake gurus. That's one thing I definitely want to tell you, man. Like, these fake gurus, I've just had enough with them. How many times have you heard, quit your job, sign up for my mentoring program? How many times have you heard that, man? How many times have you heard that garbage from some of these fake gurus out here? But I'm gonna tell you what's fake about them is the fact that they will tell you to get a $50,000 credit card so you can pay them 10, 15, 20,000 for their mentorship. Knowing the whole time that you're vulnerable, that your credit score may not be in the right place, that you clearly don't have $10 or $20,000 extra to pay them, but they will have you apply for a credit card or a line of credit at a high interest rate for you to pay them. Let that sink in. Now they're gonna talk to you, and tell you all these wonderful things. And are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? They're gonna use a lot of church talk, man. You sick and tired of being sick and tired, man. You know God don't want to see you at the bottom. You know your family deserves your best effort. You know you need to grind and grind and grind. You're gonna hear all these crazy terms, man. All that's garbage. Listen to this. They're asking you to borrow money. $50,000, $40,000, $30,000 credit card line limit, credit limit, or whatever, for you to give them $10,000 for their mentorship. Now they already cashed out of you. Guess what? You still owe the entire balance of your credit card that you just got. You paid them for mentorship. Do that even make sense? You're starting out in the hole. That's why I say mind your business. When these gurus tap you on the shoulder via, your cell phone or whatever ads you might see, because they're gonna put money into these ads. Because remember, people paying them $10,000 for mentorship. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people are paying them this money for these mentorships, man. And they're taking advantage of people. I'm really sick of it. And it's time for them to just disappear. But if they want to stay out here, I need you to mind your business. That's how you stay successful in 2025. That's how you become successful in 2025, minding your business. And also not worrying about what anybody else is doing. That's another way you can mind your business. Again, we're all consumed with all these influencers. And it's not necessarily the social media influencers. It's your cousin that just bought a new car. It's your aunt that just got a new house. It's your friends from high school that, stay at a restaurant, 5-star restaurant every other day, or traveling, to Dubai and staying there for 3 months out the year. Man, all those things are great because that's their business. That's their business, what they do with their money. And I'm happy for all of them, and you should be too. But you know what a lot of times you do? Let's be honest. You find yourself measuring yourself against them. You find yourself measuring or feeling like you're not as good as they are. Your life is not where it should be because, we went to high school together and they have these 5 material things: house, car, boat, motorcycle, all these different things, right? X number of dollars, rings, watches, designer this, designer that, and you don't. So you feel like you're behind. We don't know their story. We don't know their business. And I hope they're not struggling with all those things. I hope they have all those things and are living in abundance. Man, that's a beautiful thing. But it doesn't matter if they are or not because that's what? Their business. And I'm going to do what? Mind my business. I'm not going to be overly concerned with what anyone else is doing. What someone else drinks does not make me have to go to the bathroom. How someone else spends their money does not pay my mortgage. It doesn't pay your mortgage either. It doesn't pay your rent. It doesn't pay your car note. It doesn't pay your monthly bills. So I'm here to tell you, mind your business. Stay away from these fake gurus. You want a guru? Pick up that phone. Learn how to use AI. Learn how to use AI. Literally real simple. You go to ChatGPT or, you download the app on your phone, ChatGPT app, and you want to log in with your email address. Let's say your Gmail account, right? So you log in with your Gmail account on ChatGPT, and it's only as good as what you put in. Now I use the paid version. So I like the paid version because it gives you a little more search capabilities and better results. So literally, whatever that thing you're trying to do, put it in ChatGPT. What are the top 10 ways to make money online in 2025 or whatever year it is? Put that in there. Tell it things about you that you don't mind sharing. If you want to put your qualifications, your resume in there, and the different things that you're qualified to do, life experiences that you've had, I use the microphone on there. I don't even spend a lot of time typing. So you can hit the microphone on the app, talk to it, and say, hey, I want to teach you about me so you can help me become more successful. So I tell her things about my past, my work career, different qualifications, certifications that I have, and I'll ask it to do something for me. Give me a list, of these particular things. Give me the list of who's hiring right now in this. What are some things that I can create right now? So one, mind your business by ignoring these gurus. Mind your business by not worrying about what any of your peers or your family, what they're doing. All right. Matter of fact, take you a break from social media. Take your 30 days. Don't post a thing for 30 days. 60 days. Don't post a thing. Take all that time you're spending on there and jump into the third thing, your AI, your Chat GPT. Learn how to use it. Learn the best prompts. You'll hear this term again, prompts. What are the best prompts? What should I put in to get out what I need to be successful? So you got some homework, man. But mind your business is what I would tell you, man, for real.